Happy Halloween. Today, if you can already tell, we're going to be doing a glam Freddy Kruger makeup tutorial. So this is like the last video of my Halloween series. It was like 3 videos. Unfortunately, I don't really have that much time this year to do like a bunch of videos, but I feel like 3 is a good starting point. So yeah, I don't have the hat because I have a massive head, and on top of my head being massive, I have these twists which like add a good 10 inches. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep this one obviously while I'm doing my makeup because that's not, I don't feel like that's possible, but like at the end and stuff we'll put it on and everything. Also my eyebrows look a hot mess, so ignore that. I have this really weird thing happens to me where, well, I have anxiety, and sometimes when my anxiety gets really bad, or not even just really bad but like normal, I like can't go in public places. I mean, it's not that weird, but I get really bad anxiety over things that like normal people, I mean obviously that's anxiety, how anxiety is, but like anyways, basically all I'm saying is that's why I couldn't get my eyebrows done, because my anxiety basically makes me like have anxiety about going to get my eyebrows done. I know. But anyways, so let's just get started. So I think to start off, I am just going to do like for my eyes like a red smoky eye. So yeah, I'm just gonna prime my eyes and then get to it. So first I just took the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I took Dara, I think that's what it's called. It's like this light pink, and then now I'm just taking Zama. I think that's, I don't really know how to pronounce these names, and it's like an orange color, and I'm just putting that under, lightly blending that out. Now just like in between blends, I'm just taking this like brush cleaner thing and cleaning off the brush, and now I'm going to take this one. It's all in the same middle row. It's like a darker burgundy, and put that in the crease as well. Now I'm gonna take the Saharian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna take this red, it's called Sokoto I think, and it's like a red. I'm just gonna put that in my crease as well. So actually for my eye makeup, I just did like a little soft half cut crease with some eyeliner, and also I took Trophy Wipe and I put it in my inner corner, but I also like dragged it a little bit on the lid, and I really like it. Like I think it's super cute. So now this is gonna be the hard part. So I'm gonna try to do like burns on my face, so I think I'm gonna do it on this side. So basically I'm just gonna like do my foundation and stuff, and then try to avoid this area, and then if I want to add more, I'll just like remove it with makeup remover. So now I'm just gonna do my foundation. I'll probably just do that like off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys how to do like the burns and stuff. So I finished my eyeshadow, did my foundation, and now I just did one just to see like how it would look, and I like the way it turned out. So now I'm just gonna do like a bunch of them. So I zoomed it in, and as you can see, this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna do like a bunch of them. So I'll probably show you how to do like a few of them and then like just speed it up so it doesn't take forever. So first I'm gonna take this CC Beauty Flash palette, and I'm just gonna take the brown. And basically you could do like circle shapes, but I'm also just gonna do like random shapes. So literally, y'all, get this palette, period. Cause like I literally use this palette in like every video. So now I'm gonna take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I almost dropped it. And I'm gonna take like a flatter type brush. I'm just gonna go into this red color. The base color. So if you leave it like a little bit like streaky, it kind of goes with it. I'm gonna take the eyeliner brush and I'm gonna dip into the red in the CC Beauty palette. I'm just gonna do like little lines. And so if I go up and down on this side, you kind of just want to do them in different directions. Now I'm gonna take the brown. So basically it's like the same thing over and over again until we get to like kind of the end. So you're just gonna take the red, and then now you're gonna take the brown in the palette and do the same thing. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the black and just do some diagonal lines. So basically, I guess we're kind of making it to look like flesh, kind of like if you, or like a burn. So if you would burn yourself, what it would look like. And now we're gonna go into the white in the palette and do the same thing. You kind of want it to like mix a little bit, like you don't want it to be stark white. So like I just got a big blob of white. I'm gonna mix it in. So now I'm gonna take like this flat type fluffy brush and I'm just gonna go over it with some powder. And now we're gonna use that other the flat brush that we used for the red. And we're gonna dip into this darker brown in this like grayish color in the palette and just shade like around the outside. Well, the inside, but it's like the edge of the inside. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. So you see how it kind of makes it look like sunken in. We're gonna do some more, like just all over the side of my face, and then we're gonna add some like final touches. Hello, I'm back. So I did basically like what I wanted to do with them. So now I'm just gonna take the brown and I'm just gonna do a little like line. And now I'm gonna take like an angled pencil brush. I'm gonna go into this brown, make like some, actually this one's a little bit too big. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush. I'm just gonna take it, and you see how I did like a little like shadow, but kind of made it look like there's ripples in my skin. This is what it looks. Do a little bit more shading just on the inside of them, just to like do some extra. I'm gonna put on eyelashes and do a lip color, and then I'll be right back with the finished look. I'm really excited. So I lined my lips with this black NYX liquid suede lipstick, and then in the middle I just put this red. So basically it made like this little red ombre thing. But yeah, I'm literally so obsessed with this look. I love it. Like it's super glam, but it's also like, you know what you are. I don't, like I said in the beginning, I don't have the hat because gigantic head. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Unfortunately, this is my last, I mean obviously because it's on Halloween, so you guys will know that this is my last Halloween video. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of disappointed myself this year, like not this year, like because this was the first year I was really doing like Halloween videos, and I only did 3, this being the 3rd one. So I don't know, next year I'm gonna try to do more, like maybe like a whole week or like a whole month. That'd be cool. But yeah, I just had like, I do this thing where I lose inspiration, and then I can't do anything because then I feel like, I don't know, like I'm not good enough basically. So yeah, that's kind of how it goes, which sucks, but I'm gonna try to work on that. Basically, yeah, this is the finished look. I really like it. The eyes are like very simple. I was gonna do like a red smoky eye, but I just decided since I'm gonna do like stuff on my face, might as well just do like a little simple cute glam, and it still looks super, super cute. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, for more videos. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.